Okay guys, so you're welcome to KCWEB Tech Center, and today on our ethical hacking, and we shall be looking at how to use a Bettercap to gather the login credentials. You know, the last time we talked about intercepting network traffic. Okay, so this time we want to be also more in the middle and use Bettercap to gather the informations on this our target system. Please do not try this. This video is for educational purpose only, and make sure you don't do this on someone else's system unless you have a permission to do so. So guys, now we are already running on our intercepting network trafficking, and now what to do, you open your terminal, then open your terminal. The next thing to do what, your Bettercap /IF interface. There's the interface, that's it's ETH0. Then take your enter, then you take your help. Okay, take your help. Now you can see the modules. These are the modules, and the only module that is running is this event stream. Now all the modules which we will be using, want to put on, that will be running, is this our ARP spoof. Then after that ARO spoof, you on this your net probe, your net recon, then your net sniff. So we'll be doing that now, only them one after the other. So our next step will be what, our help net.probe. Now, so we'll now say what, our net.probe on. So our net.probe is already on. Okay, so the net.probe is on. So since it's on, the next thing for us to do, let's do our help to see. You can see our net.probe is on and our net.recon is running. So after we have done that, now we want to see all the network that is being connected to each other. That will give us what, our net.show. So these are the network that is being connected in the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so and we want to gather details. No, in this our target system which we are targeting, and we have configured the MAC address to be using a Kali MAC address. So whatever that has been going on that target system, we'll be seeing it live here. Okay, so that is what we want to do now. So we'll use our help ARP.spoof. Okay, now they have a lot of parameters here, and the only parameter we shall be using here is this what, our ARP.spoof.full duplex, because if true, both the target and the gateway will be targeted. Okay, now so let's set that. Set ARP.spoof.full duplex. That's it's true. That is true. Okay, it has gone. Then also what, sets ARP.spoof.targets. Then you put the IP address of target 10.174.81.83. That is our target IP. Then take your enter, it has shown. Then our ARP.spoof on. Let's on it. It's on. So let's click help. Let's check help if it's on. Okay, look at it. ARP spoof is running. So the 4 of our credential here is running. ARP spoof, our event stream, our probe and recon is running. And the last one is this our net.sniff, which we want to on, so that it will be sniffing every data on that our target system. Okay, so to do that, we'll have to use what, our net.sniff on. Let's check our help. So you can see net.sniff is on. So let's go to our system, let's go to our target system and see and browse there. Okay, so let me open this let me not use the same website. Let me open this. It's already open there. So once I click on it, once it's been loading, you can see it's loading. So you'll be seeing here, you can see all the details is coming here. Whatsoever there is loading there is entry here. Okay, everything is entry here. So you can see there is everything. This is the website testappnet.vulnweb.com. You can see it's open here. Now the next thing for us to do, let's log in. Let's just log in. Let's log in and let's see if we get the credentials of this login. Okay, let's go back to our Kali. You can see it's showing us details here. Let's see. Now this is the login and the login details. Now guys, get this. You know, oftentimes things change, but we'll get this. Oftentimes we often see our login details here, but it's not here now. But there's also another method which I'll be teaching you. I'll show you how you get this login details through your what? Your Wireshark. Okay, we'll be using Wireshark to get all the details, but you can see that this is only done with what? HTTP. But the other way which you can also get credentials for HTTPS, any login for a website of HTTPS, you also get it. But this is just what? For the HTTP. Okay, now we'll get this through Wireshark. You can see every details is be showing here. Every site he enters is be showing here. So let's use our Wireshark and we'll see how we'll get these login details. Now let's take our Wireshark. Let's open Wireshark. Okay, well, Wireshark is open. This is our HTA0. Okay, HTA0. Now you want to start our capturing packet. Start it while it's been loading. But let's just say we want to enter another login again. Let's just enter again. Let's see. Finish loading. Then the next thing for us, just stop it. Okay, stop it. Now after you have stopped your capturing, just come to this search bar, just type your HTTP. Okay, type your HTTP, it will bring HTTP out. You can see login. Just open it, double click it. Okay, once you double click it, you scroll down. Okay, it's not in this. Let's see how we'll get this. Okay guys, so let's see how we'll get this. You know, once you type your HTTP on this search bar here, it will bring you this site. You can see this HTTP. Okay, this is the host login. This is the form. Okay, this is the application form. Just double click on it. Now you'll get this respond. Okay, now these are the what? Hypertext transfer protocol. This is what? HTML form URL encoder application. If you check any of them, you can check any of them, you see all these protocols. You see all these protocols, guys. So this is how to check anything which you want to get. Now let's use this form. Let's check inside this form. As you double click, just scroll down so you can see the username here. This is the username which you use, and this is the password. So guys, so you can see how Wireshark is very effective. Now remember on the previous which I said that initially once you do that you will get the login details in your Kali direct. But now even though you don't get it to your Kali machine, you can also get it through what? Your Wireshark. Wireshark will give you every packet that be sniffed from your target machine, for your target computer. Okay guys, so you can see that what? Our username and the password of that targeted user has been captured. So we can as well what? Use this login details what? To log in the same website that target system is using. So guys, you can see how effective our Wireshark is and how effective is intercepting network traffic and using Bettercap to intercept and to capture all these details from our target system. So guys, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you are following us for further videos to be brought to you. Please do well to share these videos for others to be enlightened, and always make sure you have a permission to whatsoever system you are targeting. Do not try this. I repeat, please do not try this to a targeted system you are not given permission to do so. Otherwise, it will become illegal. So thank you guys for staying tuned, and make sure you do this practice and you get it. Just follow our normal step, our normal procedure which we did, and you will get everything in total. Okay, remember initially we were starting from our intercepting network traffic. After that, you use your echo to forward. Then from echo to forward, you have to use your Bettercap, and you make sure that you are running all these modules. Okay, make sure all these modules is running. Your ARP spoof, your event stream which is constant, then your net probe, net recon, and your net sniff. Once these are running, believe me, you will be able to capture the target system which you are targeting. So guys, stay tuned for our next video, and please make sure you follow us and like this video, so we'll always be motivated to do more training and more insights to be brought to you guys. So thank you for staying tuned. This KCWEB Tech Center, we are always here to give you the best. Thank you.